Hey, Rick, the driving instructor again. This time we're talking about driving in winter conditions, and more specifically driving in snow. Okay, first thing to remember, you're driving in snow, especially on a day like today with the sun out, you're going to get a lot of reflection off that snow. So you maybe think I'm wearing these because I'm a Joe Cool professional driving instructor, but these help everybody, okay? You want these sunglasses on to avoid the glare of the reflection of the sunlight off the snow. That's number one, because that's going to affect your visibility. To the actual traction involved, just like driving on icy conditions, driving in the snow, the most important thing is maintaining your traction. So again, no abrupt braking and no rapid acceleration. It's real smooth. It's both hands on the steering wheel for total control, and the most important thing you have in negotiating driving on snow is your ability to maintain control of the car through the steering wheel. Once you've lost it and you go into a skid, it's just like a skid out here on dry pavement. You're going to go wherever momentum's going to carry you, and if it's a bad place, you're going to wind up in a bad place. So when you're driving in snow, maintain positive traction and nothing abrupt as far as braking or abrupt steering. Okay, certain things to think about when you come to a stop. Come to a four-way stop in the snow. Again, gentle acceleration, nothing too rapid to move you along. Also, very important, also maintain proper safe falling distance, because if you should brake and you do go into a slight skid, you've got to basically double the safe falling distance you normally would on dry conditions. Therefore, you don't go sliding into the rear end of the car in front of you. Okay, that's a couple things to think about when you're driving in snow, as well as your tires. Again, tires are very important as far as proper inflation, and also tire treads if you have them. That'll give you better traction. And snow tires obviously will help out in your ability to negotiate and drive in snow. So remember, slow down, maintain control, give yourself plenty of room between you and the other cars around you, and that's the secret to negotiating driving situations in the snow.